Hey guys, welcome to this video. In today's fast-moving world, everyone wants a secure and structured way to grow their wealth. But with so many options, trust and stability matter the most. That's where Crofit comes in. Since 2018, Crofit has been providing financial solutions in Europe and has now expanded to Pakistan, offering a safe, reliable, and growth-oriented approach. With Crofit, you don't have to take unnecessary risks. We focus on long-term wealth growth through structured financial strategies that ensure security and transparency. Unlike short-term, high-risk ventures, Crofit focuses on sustainable financial growth by working with established sectors like energy and natural resources. These sectors form the backbone of global economies, ensuring steady and reliable returns over time. Our financial model is built on structure, diversification, and transparency, making it easier for you to plan for the future with confidence. At Crofit, security is not just a promise, it's a principle we follow in every step. Our structured approach ensures that all transactions and financial allocations are done with full transparency. We believe in ethical and responsible financial management, which is why we have earned the trust of thousands of users worldwide. Your wealth is in safe hands with Crofit. In a world full of uncertainties, Crofit provides a clear and structured financial path. If you are looking for a platform that values trust, security, and long-term financial growth, then Crofit is the right choice for you. Join Crofit today and take the first step toward financial stability.